Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And today's video I want to discuss one question that someone was asking me about level 3 options, and it seems they were not getting approved for level 3 options. And if you are in that category, or if you are thinking of applying to level 3 options in Robinhood, then definitely this video is gonna help you. The person that was asking was keep getting rejected for level 3 options. So in this video I want to discuss two key things that are going to save you from that denial. And first we are going to discuss what that level 3 options would give you, and then second thing we will discuss what you can actually do to get your application approved. So if you are interested in these, then please stick around. We're going to discuss all about it. Okay guys, so I'm in my computer screen, and as you can see, right, the option strategy, the level 3, basically what it gives you is mostly the spreads, right? And spreads could include bull put spread or bull or bear call spread, and different like a call debit spread. So these are the spread strategies that kind of comes under the umbrella of advanced option strategies, right? And this is something that Robinhood does not approve you when you actually start trading options in directly in Robinhood. So they kind of evaluate your application, because there is inherent risk when trading this spreads, and they do want to make sure that as a trader or investor you actually know what you're doing, because there is a risk on as a trading platform or broker platform, right? They also have a risk of someone doing something wrong, and that can impact their reputation as well. So they want to kind of scrutinize the application a little bit more when it comes to level 3 options. So that's why it's very important to what I'm going to discuss, the two key things that you should take care if you are planning to apply for level 3 options. Okay, and guys, if you're not familiar with this spreads kind of terms, which are like call debit spread, call kate spread, then definitely you should watch other videos in my channel. Okay, so now coming to the two things, right? The first thing that they want to see is that you have done at least some of the option trades, right? So the very first thing that you should do is, if you're planning to apply, you should go to Robinhood, and let's say for example a stock of like this Ford, right? So what you can do is you can pick a stock which is low in value, so that you don't have much risk, and do some small options trade, right? You don't have to do like do a basic basic option trades like a covered call or cash secured puts, right? They come under like a less risky kind of option trades. So do couple of those, maybe for a week or two, and then you apply for the level 3, right? Because once you have those kind of trades in your account, and they would see that you actually know what you're doing. Let's say pick Ford, right? You buy 100 share of Ford, start selling covered calls, right? And then maybe start with a cash secured put, and then you can also pick like a Coca-Cola or something safer, right? So do that, because that would build two things. That would kind of give you an indication that you know what you are doing, and the second, that you're doing with kind of safer stocks, right? So that is number one thing. And number two thing is it's about your profile, right? When you actually applied for Robinhood account, maybe what you did was, if you look at my screen, right? So here it says the investment experience, right? So here, if you would have selected none or a little, maybe there you have a chance that your level 3 may not get approved. So make sure that you select either one of these, right? A good amount or a lot. So you can select one of these. That would kind of give an indication that you know what you're doing. And then about option experience, this is fine. I think less than 1 year could kind of put you in a borderline. So I would say either do 1 to 2 years at least, or 3+ years, right? So choose one of these options, and that would be kind of set. And then these options, right? So basically all the options that you see here, right? Select something where you think that will make you as a safe trader or investor, right? So kind of this, right? So it's basically asking that how likely you're gonna withdraw your money from Robinhood, right? So you just want to say that not likely at all. That kind of gives an indication that you are actually trading with the money that is you would not need in near future, and you have a good risk appetite. That's what that's all they wanna see, right? So these are the two things, guys. The first thing that I explained, right, that you do some simple option trades, and then the second thing that you should do is you go back and review your profile, and then you just apply for the options again, and I'm 100% sure that you would be approved for level 3 options. And once you're approved, guys, you should definitely check out how to do options, spreads especially. And if you are not familiar, I highly recommend that you watch my video. I link some of those videos down in the description. Definitely make use of those videos to get your feet wet about how to do spreads in the options, because that's gonna change your portfolio, and it's gonna take your portfolio from a very small amount to exponentially grow your trading portfolio. So definitely do check that out. That was it, guys, for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.